Little bird, it's okay. You don't want to go that way. Come here, my friend. You don't want it in there. You just gotta go up and over. It's okay. It's okay, my friend. It's okay. You don't need to go in there. I would never try to hurt you. I'm your friend. I don't know what kind of bird you are. We can figure out your problem together. It'd be my pleasure to help you. You okay? You're okay, baby bird. Let me help you. Let me help you. There's nothing in the world I would rather do than help you. You gotta relax, baby. You gotta relax. You gotta relax. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you, baby. You don't need to go in there. You really don't. You just need to let me hold you and I'll take you somewhere where you can find the right way. Come on, baby. You got it. Don't be afraid. I'm just trying to help you, baby. Come here. Touch me. Touch me. You don't need to be afraid. You don't need to feel lost. I got you. Look at this sweet little baby bird. Trying to clear the dust off his face. There you go, buddy. You're alright. I'll take you to the other side of the building where you wanted to be. It's a long journey, but we'll get through it together. I love you, little bird. Thank you for being my friend. Sometimes you gotta fly up higher and go around the building. You can't always go through it. Look at this sweet little precious angel. I'm so proud to call you my friend, little bird. Thank you for relaxing. Oh, it's a long way around here. You see? Look, buddy. It's a big, big building. It went up and over, not straight through. It's okay. You'll get anywhere in the world that you're supposed to be. You'll bless the whole world no matter where you go. You'll always have everything you need. Okay? I'll take you around this building now. Sometimes you gotta look way up, man. Gotta look way up high in the sky. You can't go through the building, you gotta go over the building. And you're quite equipped to do so. Don't let yourself get too hungry or too tired. The world will always be your playground. You can do anything you like. Such a beautiful little bird. I'm so glad I get to help you tonight. It's the best present I've received in some time. Your friendship. You can go anywhere in the world you want, my friend. You just gotta look up and go around all those problems that may stand in your way. I don't know where we're going. I've never been here before, buddy. It's a little slippery. Oh, looks like there's construction up here. Shit, we're inside a construction project. I'm gonna have to go back and go around. Sorry. Ooh, walking through a spider web. This big one. It's all over me still. Some kind of whatever that is. Oh, it's such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful playground. Okay, that's all construction too. I don't know my way around here too well. It'll be alright though. We got each other. You'll always find food and shelter. Comfort. You gotta be careful. Look how pretty it is over there, buddy. I don't even know where we are. Somewhere on the OSU campus. Lots of construction, lots of progress. Let's hope they harm none along their way, right? Such a cute little bird. Never been over here before. See, you gotta stay away from these alcoves, these places. They don't let you on through. You gotta go up and around You're a bird. You can fly. That's why you're supposed to go up and around. Yeah, this is nice. I've never been here. Thank you for bringing me here. Beautiful little bird. Okay, now we're on Monroe. I know where we are now. It's Monroe. You wanna fly? You wanna leave my side and go fly, buddy? Beautiful little bird.